Hey guys, Patricia here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another beauty talk. Yes, another day, another Dior. We have the new Dior cushion. Guys, I've got it in pink ganache. So pretty. Pink case. So this is the Dior Forever Hydra Glow cushion. This sold separately, guys. You have to buy the refill, foundation refill, and the case. So this case, this beautiful pink ganache case, retails 4,180 yen here in Japan. And the refill, I already put it inside. The refill is 6,710 yen. So this is how it looks like, guys. Comes with this typical cute Dior puff, and this is how the inside looks like. It is a mesh cushion foundation. Oopsie. So details, all day moisture with SPF 50 plus UV protection. Serum Mesh Cushion Foundation contains lots of beauty serum ingredients such as hyaluronic acid. It provides long-lasting moisture to keep skin fresh, plump, and radiant. Yeah. I have tried this already one time. So today, this is my second day trying this foundation. Last time I used it, I set it with a semi-matte finishing powder, the Clé de Peau setting powder. I didn't like the finish, how it looks at the end, because it cancels the glow. It becomes matte. So today, I will try it with different finishing powder, the Guerlain Glow Finishing Powder. Let's see how glowy I will become. And by the way, excuse my pimples here and there because I am breaking out, you guys. I have to stop eating fatty foods and chocolates. I have to take care of my skin. But it is hard to stop eating chocolates. Anyway, guys, going back to the foundation. So if you have old cushion cases that is empty, I suggest just get the refill to save money. Yeah. It is same size, guys, with the magnet. You see that? It is the same size, guys, with the older cushion that they have. Even the holiday cushion last year, it is the same size. So yeah, it will fit. So better just get the refill instead getting both refill and case to save money. But if you are like me, pink girly, pink girly that I couldn't resist to this beautiful pink ganache, go get one. So anyway, let us jump into application. Let me lip balm first because I feel like my lips are dry. This is the Dior Pink Lilac. I love the shade of this pink lilac. Let me add more. Please excuse the breakouts, you guys. Okay, guys, let's start the application. And by the way, I am not using ring light for this video, so you will see the real thing. Let's do the magic. Charot. The evolution. Mag-e-evolve pag mag-foundation. Charot. So, on this side, I will try using this, although I'm not really good using this puff. Last time, I also tried this. Then, my fingers are like stiff. I'm not really good using this, but yeah, I will try it. So, there's the foundation. I am shade 2N, by the way. So, okay, no more further sat-sat or hanash-hanash. Let's do the application. So, on this side, I will use this puff. Parang nakapalan. OMG. Did I pick up too much product? Wait. So, ayan o. Parang naninigas na yung aking daliri. Wait. I feel like I pick up too much. So, I will use a beauty blender. Comment down below if you prefer without ring light or with ring light. The struggle is real, you guys. To have a good quality video. So there, guys. Here is with, without. Glowy ba siya, guys? Glow. Oh my God! I forgot to apply primer. My goodness. Wait, okay. Let me apply on this side. What am I thinking? Excited mag-foundation. So, I will use this Tom Ford matte primer. Just a little. So, there. Just a little on this side. This side, meron siyang konting primer. So, okay. So, let us try the other side with a brush. Definitely, brush is easier. Oh, there you go, guys. It didn't cancel the pimple mark, so I will apply this YSL concealer a little. This is holy grail, you guys, forever love. So let me add here and here. YSL Touch Eclat, guys, is my hero product. There you go, guys. Let me powder. I will use the Guerlain. And I will use a buffer brush. So, I will powder dito na lang muna on this side. This setting powder is also my holy grail. This is the best. So, there you go. So, with powder, without. I have combination skin, by the way, guys. Oily T-zone and the rest is dry, especially winter. So, there you go. You see the glow. Yes, it's better with this finishing powder than matte finishing powder. See how glowy it is, guys. You see that? I love it. I like to finish up this with powder, guys, because without powder, it is tacky. So, better set with powder. Or else, it will move. This cushion and this Guerlain setting powder, perfect combination. I love how it looks. I love the finish. To be honest, guys, the first time I used this, I didn't really like it. I was a little bit disappointed, but it was my application method. The problem was my setting powder that I have used. So, yeah, this is definitely better with glowy finishing powder than matte finish setting powder. Ayan, no more tackiness. Yeah. So comfortable to the face after applying finishing powder. Without finishing powder, it will move and, yeah, tacky. And I don't like the tacky feeling. So, yeah, I suggest to set it with finishing powder. And I highly recommend, guys, for you to use this Guerlain Meteorites setting powder. Oh, glad I catch it. This is not matte. This is glow or more on satin. There, as you see. It didn't cancel the glow. Para akong naka-highlighter. OMG! Let me take a look at this closer. Okie dokie. So far, so good, you guys. It didn't emphasize my enlarged pores here. Remember, this side, I did not primer. I only applied primer on this part. But, yeah, it didn't emphasize. I have enlarged pores here, but it is so far looking good naman. Even though it's a glowy foundation. Okay, this is winner. This is so good. So far, I'm loving how it looks on my skin. I love it so far. Yeah. And I love how it glow. OMG, guys, if you wanna glow, go get yours, you guys. This is so nice. Glowy foundation. See my forehead. And here. It looks like I have applied highlighter even if I did not. So there you go, guys. Closer look. Yeah, this is, again, happy purchase. OMG. So how do you like the foundation, you guys? Me, I am loving it so far. I love the glow. So yeah. That's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful, stay kind. Bye.